Hi, and welcome to Tech Talk. I'm Sergio with Arvig. Today we're going to be talking about something new and exciting here at Arvig. We have an app, the Arvig app. Apps are all the rage now, aren't they? Do you have an app for that, an app for that? We finally do. It's our local directory, so you can find good local results for businesses, restaurants, practically anything, all on your smartphone. And we got links to it, and I'll show you how to get it from our website. Super easy. It's compatible with iPhone and Android, so there's almost no reason to not get it. Let's check it out. Okay, here I've brought us to arvig.com to show you how you can find the app. If you're used to the Apple App Store or the Android Google Play, both are their kind of stores for their smartphone devices. You can find the Arvig app right from your device. Just open it up and use the search function to search for Arvig. Very easy, it should be the top choice, and you can install it right from there. But if you'd prefer, you can come to arvig.com and go to the phone section and the online directory section to find the app. You can see we have links for both the Apple devices, so if you have an iPhone, an iPad, an iPod, or the Android devices, which of course there's lots and lots of different types of Android devices. For those who don't have a smartphone, don't feel left out though necessarily. We have a link to our online directory right on the web, so if you have a computer connected to the internet, it's very similar to the app, so you can use it that way. So feel free to search and use it just like it is. But if you've got a smart device, a smartphone, you can go ahead and use the app. I'm going to go ahead and bring mine up. And in this case, I'm using an iPhone. But if you have an Android device, the apps are very, very similar. So I don't think you'll have any trouble using it. I'll go ahead and wake it up here. And you can see we're right in the Arvig app already. I'm going to go ahead and go to my home screen first just to show you what it looks like, the icon. It's the Arvig symbol and it says Arvig, so once you have it installed, it's very easy to find, and you just open it by tapping it. There's three main menus you have to kind of navigate through that can help you find what you're looking for. The first one is the location option, and the reason I bring that up is we want to make it extra easy to find local choices and businesses and things of that nature, so your results will be very specific. So you can use your location to select where you're from. You can see we have a lot of different options like Perham, where I am now, or the Melrose area, or Grand Meadow, or Big Forks. Let's go ahead and select Perham, and then it gives me the option to search, and I can search for either businesses or people. And as you can see, it moved me over to the search category, one of the other three categories between location, categories, and search. Now it's really easy to use. It's just like anything else. I mean, this app is so simple, you almost don't need a tutorial, but just in case, you go ahead and open it up and you get your keyboard and you search what you're looking for. I'm going to give a test with pizza because it's one of my favorite foods, and hit the little search button. And as you can see, it brings up all sorts of categories for Pizza Hut in this case, nearby Detroit Lakes, Wadena, wherever the nearest Pizza Huts are. Now, if I don't want to search for a specific thing or a specific business, I can go back and instead use the categories function. And this will give you a list of categories if you're looking for a mechanic, or the hospital, or a farm nearby. You can select a category instead and then find stuff close by that way, just in case you don't know the name of a specific place. So that's the Arvig app. Like I said, very easy to use. You can find it on your device just by opening up your App Store on the Apple devices or your Google Play on your Android devices. Search for the word Arvig. It's really small and quick and easy to use. It also doesn't use much data, so you don't have to worry about it racking up your data bill if you're concerned about that. But of course, you can use it on Wi-Fi as well. No reason not to have it. It's going to help you find some great local businesses, so take advantage of it. Hey, if you have some questions or comments you'd like for us to cover on Tech Talk, go to our Facebook page and leave us a post. You can find us on facebook.com and search for Arvig. Or stop into any of our Arvig retail stores. We're all over Minnesota. Or you can give us a call at 888-99-ARVIG.